Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. So guys, today I'm going to talk about Venus transit in Cancer. From 1st of September 2020 to 28th of September 2020, Venus transit in Cancer sign, which is Venus enemy sign, and Venus is not comfortable in Cancer sign. So you know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, not for your moon sign and not for your zodiac sign. So let's start for the Aries ascendant. Aries ascendant being a lord of second and seventh house, Venus started transit in your fourth house. You need to be careful while dealing with your mother. You need to be careful about your mother health. Relationship with your mother will be under shadow. This is not a very promising time for your homely atmosphere. Your homely atmosphere will be affected and you are not enjoy your homely atmosphere with your spouse or with your mother. Some type of irritation will be there and you are not in comfort zone. You are not enjoy a quality time with your family or friend. You are getting very disturbed and upset. Your earning will be affected. This transit, if you have a Venus Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, then this transit, this 28 days will bring lot of stress, tension, and money related problem and health and wealth related issues will create. So now I am going to talk about Taurus ascendants. For Taurus ascendants, being a Lagan lord, being a lord of your first house, Venus started transit in your third house, which is very beneficial for you. Your ascendant lord transit in your third house, which is a house of your confidence, strong willpower, siblings, gains through communications, gains through short journeys. So Taurus ascendants, this is a highly productive 28 days for you. From 1st of September to 28th of September, you will help your siblings a lot, or your siblings will appreciate your efforts, or your relationship with your siblings will be ultimate during this period. And if you have any type of dispute or issue with your siblings, then these 28 days will resolve your all problems related to your family, related to your siblings and near dears. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and short distance journey are also seen. Promotion are also seen as per transit if you have a strong Mahadasha. And Venus aspecting is on your ninth house. Venus aspecting is on Saturn on ninth house, which is also very productive for you. Saturn and Venus create some Saptam Yog from each other. This is very good for Taurus ascendants. This is a time when you will be promoted, when your salary will grow, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. And if you wanna interested to foreign land for any foreign journey, so then this is a very good time when your visa will click and you will enjoy all type of comforts and benefit from your siblings, from your family, from your near and dear, from your friends, and you will enjoy your all materialistic gains during this 28 days. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, for you, Venus started transit in your second house. Second house in a Kalpurush Kundli is a Venus own house, and in Gemini ascendants, Venus transit in Cancer sign, which is an average mixed result for you. Money will knock to you, your savings will rise, your earning will rise, but your family atmosphere will be affected. Your relationship with your family will be affected because Saturn is also aspecting is on your second house from your eighth house, which is not very productive. But Saturn aspecting these 28 days on Venus, which create a positive change in your family atmosphere, and you will enjoy all type of comforts and benefits due to your parent side, your family side. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your savings will rise, and you will enjoy thoroughly. This 28 days will totally game changer for you, a positive game changer for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. For Cancer ascendants, for you, Venus transit in your first house. This is a strong chances you may involve in with someone in personal relationship. Affair will start. Marriage yog will start. There's a strong chances you may get married during this 28 days, or someone may enter in your life as your life partner, as your lover, and your love life will turn into your marriage life. Your earning will be sky high. You will enjoy a lot of benefits and comforts. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy lots of positive energy, and your thinking level will be very good. This 28 days will be very, very ultimate for you, Cancer, because Venus received 7th aspect from Saturn from your 7th house. This time, when this period, if you have any type of personal problem, if you have any type of personal issue related to your spouse, your issues will be resorted, and you will enjoy your love life. You will enjoy your relationship with your spouse or loved one. everything will be streamlined, and you will be in a very good mood, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Your savings will rise and your source of earning will be developed. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. For Leo Sanders, Venus transit in your 12th house, you need to be careful while unexpected expenditures, because unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your money may spend in hospitalization, and you may suffer for your family member health issues. There is something which is irritating you related to your over expenditures. Your savings will be upset, and your over expenditures will create some problem in your life. This period is little bit struggling for you, because period is not very promising, and if you have a Venus Mahadasha or Venus Antardasha in your birth chart, then this time will create some issue, especially legal issue, or your project or any deal will be collapse, or you are not in a comfort zone. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Virgo Ascendant, Venus transit in your 11th house. You will socialize yourself a lot. Your friends will help you. Your family friends will help you, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Materialistic gains are there. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your siblings will help you. Your friends will help you. This is a time when you will be sky high, and you will enjoy all type of benefits and comforts. Virgo Ascendant, for you, if you wanna invest new money, then this 28 days will be very, very promising for you. You may get very good returns from your old investment as well in this 28 days, because Venus 7th aspect is on your 5th house, which is linked with your smart gains. And 5th house is a Lakshmi Sthan, 5th house is a stock market. So if you're already investing your money in stock market, so this is a very good time when your old investment give you good results, fruitful results, and this is the right time to invest new money in stock market. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Being a lord of your first house, transit in your 10th house, which is very, very productive for you. Libra Ascendant, this 28 days will be highly beneficial for you in the terms of job or business. You will enjoy a lot of materialistic gains. Money will knock you from unexpected way, and one of your near or dear may help you in the terms of finances. New partnership will start, and your profession will be sky high. Those people who are unemployed may get new job, and those native who are already in job, they will fulfill our targets on right time, and seniors will be satisfied from all type of your comfort, for all type of your targets, and you will get appreciation from your seniors. And those native who are unemployed right now, and they will definitely get some source of earning during this transit. Your health will be fine, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. This is one of the ultimate 28 days for you, Libra. You need to focus on your things. You will be top, you will be sky high. Now I am going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Scorpio Ascendant, being a lord of your 7th house and 12th house, Venus transit in your 9th house and Cancer sign. There is some type of foreigner activity knock in your birth chart. There is strong chances some woman from foreign land will give you big support. She may become your business partner. She may become your life partner. You may get in a strong relationship, in marital relationship from foreign land, and that girl or that woman will be a biggest game changer for your luck, because Venus being a lord of your 7th and 12th house transit in your 9th house, which is very, very good and promising for you in the terms of foreign settlement, marriage in foreign, partnership in foreign. There's a lot of good things will knock you, and there's a lot of money will knock you from foreign land. So unexpected gains are there, unexpected love and promotion is also there. And if you are unmarried, then you may get new proposal from foreign land, because Scorpio Ascendant, this is the right time. If Mahadasha and Antardasha will supporting you, you will definitely become a rock star in this 28 days, because your all desires and your all wishes will be fulfilled related to foreign land. And your fortune started smile for you. There is also some small religious journey are seen in your birth chart. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. For Sagittarius Ascendants, Venus started transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful about your spouse health. You need to be careful while dealing with others. Don't sign any documents. Must advise from any specialist. Whatever you do, once you concentrate on the things and plan everything according your pocket, plan everything according your bank balance, because this time will create some problem related to your spouse health, related to your finances, related to your self respect. So you need to be careful while dealing with anyone. Don't sign any new deal or new contact during this time. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. For Capricorn Ascendants, Venus transit in your 7th house. This is very good transit for you. You will get very good affection and love from your spouse. This is a time when your relationship will be bounce back and you will be in a good terms with your life partner. Your life partner may support you or you may support your life partner. And new things will knock you. Health will be fine, your daily source of earning will rise, and your finances will be upgrade. There's a strong chances you may involve in any type of new business partnership, which will be act like a game changer for you. Your source of earning will be developed, and you will enjoy a lot of pleasure with your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius, Venus transit in your 6th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your back, bone related trouble, nervous system related trouble, or there is a strong chances some type of disease may irritate you next 28 days from 1st of September to 28th of September. Aquarius, you may get a lot of finances, you may get foreign trips, everything is good in your transit, but this 28 days bring some health related issue. You will be in a low confidence level, you are not enjoy your life. There's a you may involve in any type of litigation or health related issue, so you need to be careful. And if you see any negative any negative reaction from your body, must consult your nearest doctor. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. For Pisces Ascendants, Venus is transit in your 5th house. You will blessed with a lot of wealth. Sudden money will knock you. There is a lot of new gains will knock you. Money came from stock market, money came from intraday. You will enjoy a lot of materialistic gains. Your love life will be better. Even your love life, your love affair will turn in marriage. Your family or your lover family will give you the green signal for your marriage. This is a time when you will enjoy all type of comforts and you will be top and sky high. Your all dreams and desires will be fulfilled, and your creative will, people will appreciate your creativity. Your skills people are appreciate. You will be in a new horizon of your business. Whatever you plan in past life, this is a time when your all planning will be fruitful and you will be in a very comfort zone. This 28 days will be a game changer for you. Know more about this Venus transit in Cancer, visit my website www.akastrologyzone.com and must subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.